guys, we're back at it again with another video. It's Team Mazat. We're about to make some nice French toast. It's gonna be nice and crispy, nice and delicious. Let's get it. So what we got here is 2 eggs. We got here 4 toast, a 1/4 cup of milk. You can put a pinch of salt inside with your eggs. We got like a bit of vanilla, a tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon. Major alert. We need a wide plate, okay? The reason for that is because we need the toast to be dipped in nice and smoothly, okay? Please. Guys, when you guys see it sizzle, that's when you know the toast is ready to get put in. So first, we put the toast in the mixture. After we put the toast in the mixture, we bring that beauty into the beautiful pan. Nice, crisp. Guys, number 2 toast. Do that. Nice. Just mix that in nice and well. Come on. Bring it back in here. Let's get it. So you guys need about 2 minutes for it to cook on the one side on medium-high heat. So what we have here is some apples, sliced apples with some butter, and there's cinnamon on the top of the apples. And what we did is, what we're doing now is cooking, more like frying the apples, and we just added some sugar on it to make it nice and sweet. Guys, now we have the final result. You guys can put this with anything you guys want, maple syrup, apple syrup, anything you guys want, anything sweet. But what my mom likes is some apples, cinnamon apples. It's so sweet and nice. So you just put it on our French toast. You can put as many pieces you want. Obviously, the more you have, the better. And guys, this is the result. So we have here some nice French toast. Obviously, we put some apple on this, nice sweet apples with cinnamon. We want to put some maple syrup, any sauce you guys like, which is sweet, obviously. So here we're pouring some. Guys, that's nice. So here, let's get to taste it. If you guys want to taste this, you have to. My mom's right about the apple. It tastes amazing with the French toast. And obviously, guys, some nice maple syrup. You guys want more videos like this? Please like, subscribe, and share. And guys, follow my Instagram. And peace.